Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Word 1A Office on the web. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment and if you want to read for this complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp and email both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. So the title of assignment Word 1A Office on the web. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft PowerPoint, all Microsoft Access and all Microsoft Word. If you need help in any other online courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Math, MyLab Economics, Java, C++, statics classes and many more online classes, you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete class with A+ grades. So the moving on assignment, you can see I will solve step by step under this title, under this project description to get idea about your project. So we will move on question number 1. First we will select this complete instruction and increase the font size of this instruction for a proper view in my video. So we will move on question number 1. In question number 1, from your Chrome browser, go to www.office.com and sign in with your college Office 365 account or your personal Microsoft account. Upload and open your student Word 1A Office for the web document file from the location to which you downloaded from MyLab IT. The action will open the file in the Word for the web and store your file in your OneDrive. Okay, basic and discussion from your Chrome browser. Okay, we will open our Word file, documentation worksheet. Basically, in this question, we will simply download this file from easily MyLab IT Pearson dashboard portal. So moving on question number 2, if necessary, display the classic ribbon as follows. At the right end of the ribbon, locate the switch ribbons arrow and click the display the arrow so that more commands display on the ribbons. The simplified ribbon displays fewer commands and it's useful when working on mobile devices. On the home tab in the paragraph group, click show hide to display the formatting marks. The main point is here on the home tab in the paragraph group, click show hide to display. Okay, this question is 0 points, that's why I skip this question. Now I am going to main question of this assignment is question number 3. At the top of the document, type internship opportunities and then press enter 2 times. Type BIS Intermedia is a loading provider of webcasting and streaming production service for large and small companies, municipal clients and non-profit organization. Press space bar. The first point of this question, at the top of the document, type internship opportunities. At the top of the document, type internship opportunities. Okay, we will copy this. Okay, internship opportunities. Internship opportunities. So we will press enter 2 times. Okay, press enter 2 times. So we will type. Okay, press enter 2 times. So the next point, type BIS Intermedia is a leading provider of webcasting and streaming production. You can see this is given in the instruction, is a leading provider, is a leading provider of webcasting and streaming. Okay, you can see I have entered this. I have typed here Digital Media is a leading provider of webcasting and streaming production service for and a small companies, municipal client and non-profit organization, and press space bar. So we will press space bar. Okay, so the next question is question number 4. I have done 3 questions of this assignment in my video right now. In question number 4, select the text internship opportunities. On the home tab, select the font size arrow and then press select 20. Select the font color arrow and then in the fifth column select the first color. In the paragraph group, select align center. The first point of this question is that select the text internship opportunity. We will select the text internship opportunity. We will go to the documentation worksheet and select the text internship opportunity. This text is selected now. So the next point on the home tab, select the font size arrow and then select 20. We will go to the home tab in the font group and click on font size button and we will select 20 font size of this text internship opportunity. So the next is that select the font color arrow and then in the fifth column select the first color. Select the font color, go to the home tab in the font group, click on the font color button, go to the fifth column and select first color in the fifth column. 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth column, first color. So in the paragraph group, select align right. We will go to the paragraph group. In the home tab in the paragraph group, go to the alignments and select align right. So question number 5. In question number 5, select the remaining text in the document, change the font size to 14. Select the remaining text in the document, change the font size to 14. We will select remaining text in the document. So we will go to the home tab and then change the font size to 14. 14 is font size. Okay, I have done this question so well. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment is question number 6. So question number 6. Click at the beginning of the paragraph that begin with Intel Media, select the insert tab and then select picture under insert picture. Okay. From click the device, navigate to locations where your data file for this project are stored and then select W01 media, click open to insert the image. First point of this question is that click at the beginning of the paragraph that begin with Intel Media. Okay. We will go to our documentation worksheet and we will click beginning of the paragraph that begin with Intel Media. Okay. So the next point of this question is that select the insert tab. Okay. Okay. Select the insert tab and then select picture under insert picture. Go to the insert tab. In the click on picture button and click on this device. Okay. First we will go to the insert tab in the illustration group, click on picture button. So we will go to this device and go to our folders and we will select this picture W01 media and click on insert button. You can see this picture is inserted. Okay, the first point I have done, click the beginning of the paragraph. I have clicked the beginning of the paragraph that begin Digital Media. So that select the insert tab. I have select the insert tab and I have select pictures under insert pictures. From click this device, navigate to locate where your data files from this project are stored. You can see I have insert a picture. Under insert picture, from click this device, navigate to the locate where your data. I have done this each and everything. So you can see I have done 6 questions. Okay, so we will move on question number 7. In question number 7, With the picture selected, select the picture tab, select the picture style arrow, and then its first row, select the 6 picture style soft edge rectangle. Okay, basically in this question we will select the picture style. With the picture selected, we will select this picture. The next point, select the picture tab. Okay, select the picture tab. In the picture formats group, we will select the picture tab. Select the picture style arrow, and then its first row, select the 6 picture style soft edge. Go to the picture style dialog box and we will select 6 pictures style soft edge rectangle. In the first row, 6 picture. Go to picture style, first row, 6 picture. Here is the rect. Okay, 1 second. Rectangle picture style. Where is rectangle picture style? Soft edge rectangle is here. You can see I have selected this picture style. Okay, I have done 7 questions of this assignment so far. Total question of this assignment is 13. I have done 70% of this assignment in my video. If you need help in this complete assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email.